All right, y'all. I haven't seen y'all in a minute. It's been a while. I know we haven't uploaded a lot of the things that we have been doing. Currently, it is about 2:30 in the morning. Well, actually 3 o'clock in the morning. We are in Dallas. We are coming to our first streetcar takeover, and we're actually going to be filming some stuff for 1320 as well. So you will be seeing that stuff very soon. We have a really badass race supposed to happen tomorrow, but it is story time for this vlog. So we booked the crappiest hotel ever in life next to the Cowboy Stadium, right? So we went in there. We kind of knew it was kind of too good to be true in the first place from the rate, but we're like, oh, it's by the stadium, should be great, entertainment district, let's do it. Bet. Down the street from the shop where we were having to meet at tonight, but it rained tonight and we didn't get by there. Had a few accidents and didn't quite make it. But okay, we start to check in, and mind you, now Cody booked the room. He's back there. Now Cody booked the room.
Not my fault.
Totally his fault. Don't listen to him. It's totally his fault. But we get in there. She said her computers wasn't working, and we were like, okay, cool. You know, we booked online anyway. You know, can you just check us in? All right, cool. We see bunches of random people walking around in the hallway. Mind you, it's 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. It's taking us an hour to find another hotel. But so we're like, dang, it shows a bunch of people just around and out in the hallways and stuff. So she's like, all right, come on here to the back. So we walk down the hallway, go into a room that has no lights on, like none. We in there looking crazy, like for real. Turns on this computer and we're like, yo, we supposed to be back here or no? You're like, what is going on? So Cody gives the credit card and an ID, and she checks us in, and we come back out. And there's more people just out standing in the hallway, and like, okay, well, whatever. And the hotel really didn't have a real parking lot, so we parked one of our new channel cars over there, which didn't need to be in that parking lot at all. But we haven't released that yet, so we may be a teaser in upcoming videos of what car that is. But nonetheless, we get the keys, we go into the room, we get up there, we're on the 3rd floor, and we walk in the hallway, and there's a box fan blowing at us, and we're like, yo, I wonder if there's a box fan in the room. Hope that's not the AC unit. So we get in the room, and we're like, okay, not too bad. Then we look around and we're like, what? The counter's cracked, the lights are falling off, and we tried to turn the light on in the room, no lights came on, and we're like, what is going on up in here? I kid you not, the only plug that was in that room was on the ceiling. I'm telling you, we didn't bring any of the camera equipment in, we brought nothing in. It was nothing but our 2 bodies. We sat in there for about 5 or 10 minutes and said, this is not for us. So we got out of there, went downstairs, told her that, you know, we're going to stay somewhere else. Cool, can we cancel? She was like, yeah, you know, free cancellation. You know, call your people and see if you can cancel for free. Cool, we done that. They called the hotel. They bring us back over. Oh, they said they're going to have to charge you for a night and we can give you half back. So we went back to the hotel. Told her, look, we didn't stay here. We can't stay here. It's not happening. She was like, well, best we can do is 50%. So we was like, all right, screw it. We just lost half the money on the room for tonight. Whatever. So, of course, everything's booked up now. It's 2:30, 2 a.m. at that point. Everything's booked up now. Everything. We don't have nothing. So we saw was it Live at Lowe's? I think that's what it was. And After we went to every hotel, and of course this is the most expensive hotel that's probably over here, and we were like, screw it, we'll call them. And he was like, yeah, we definitely got rooms. And I tell you, we are most definitely not disappointed. Now, we're finna take a look at this room. When I tell you, we in the right place. Cody, we in the right place? This man already got a beer in hand. That's how you know we in the right place. So, hold up. Take a look. Yo. So, just minor equipment on the bed there. That's gotta be a 50-inch. So then you come through here. Fridge is behind that door. We got our own coffee maker right there. You know, it's pretty sweet. But then you get into this bathroom. Bam! Boy. I wish we could have filmed the other room, because you guys would be like, yo, y'all went from shit to sugar. Wow. But we're gonna go down and we'll show you the lobby and all that jazz. But other than that, I mean, views pretty. You can't really see out here. Yeah, we'll get it in the morning. But other than that, I mean, we're in the right spot. So we're gonna take a stroll around the hotel real quick. We're still up, of course. So oh well.